Hi everyone. Today I will talk about this beautiful flower plant. The English names of this flower are yellow bells, yellow trumpet, or yellow elder. This flowering plant blooms in summer, monsoon, autumn, and late autumn, but some plants bloom at other times of the year as well. This flower has great ability to attract bees and insects. This beautiful flowering plant is easily propagated by seed and cuttings. The plant that I am showing you, this flowering plant is planted in the ground. So this plant is quite big, but this flower plant can also be grown in containers. Then the size of the plant will not be as big as this plant. This flowering plant grows very fast. Cut a small branch from a plant, plant it in well-drained soil, and keep the pot in the shade for a few days. After a few days, the cutting will grow roots. When growing this flowering plant in containers, the plant should be pruned after flowering to keep the plant in good shape. This plant should be kept in a sunny place and watered regularly. Applying liquid fertilizer twice a month will improve plant growth.